It's official, MQAA is now Starworks at pinakilala na nga ang 16 nilang artists. Kabilang sa Block 1 ng Starworks na nagpasiklab agad sa dancing, kantahan. Sina Adam Buck, Amo Wilding, Jan Martin, Nico Matugas, Patrick Ballesteros, Spencer Capistrano at Wayne Leonard. Kasama rin sina Caitlin King, Keisha Serna, Natalie Apollo, Rahil Gatali, Selena Griffin, Steph Razon, Celine David, Martina Gicane at Carmela Lorzano. Super proud naman ang the man behind Starworks na si Mr. M, hindi lang sa potential ng new artist kundi sa sipag na ipinapakita nila. Umpisa pa lang daw ito sa mga pasabog ng Kapatid Network.
We will surprise you with new technology to serve our audience better. At full flight, we're not yet in the air, but we are on the runway, building momentum.
Sobrang exciting talaga, no? And I love it how Starworks says, work makes stars. So, they really explain, the kids really explain that they will put all the hard work in. We as management, the creatives, production will also put all the hard work in. As Mr. Vargas said, we're on the runway and ready to take off.